This is a Sportsman Pro class. Amen.
Oh, getting dirty. Oh, getting dirty. Keep it clean. Pro for a reason. I haven't figured out the reason why, but Fergie takes the first lap. He's trying to check out. Mike's trying to roll over. Not working out too well. Oh, and Dustin takes back the lead. Fergie's trying to go back over the track he already went on. Mike's moved into second as well.
Ooh.
One dart. Ooh, that's going to cost him a spot or two. Cost him one. Mike's in the lead now.
Go Mike. That ain't going to do it.
Oh. Good example of correct corner marshaling right there. Dusty's back in the lead. Fergie's catching up to Mike. We got a good race on here. All three cars duking it out. Dustin is ran at 15.8. Mike is ran at 15.6. And Fergie's ran at 15.6. Now Fergie's in second. Oh, but he gets a nasty little hit by Mike. Oh, and then he gets landed on. Mike, if you're faster there, just pass it. Space between now. Oh, Fergie's going to take second. If he would have kept it a little cleaner there. Well, he's got to do a shot at second loop. Dustin's trying to check out. Mike's trying to skip some pipe there. We got another battle for second. A little bump there. A little harder bump there. Ooh, and a bad jump. No, Fergie gets second. Let's see if Mike tries that land on and pass again. Ooh, he gets caught up in that triple. Everybody messed up right there. The secret to second place is landing that big jump. That's where they get passed every time. We got 3.5 minutes left. Dustin's still up front. Fergie. Oh, Mike got it back right there. Mike with Fergie. But once again, the big jump landing. Dustin's trying to get a lap on him. He's catching up. Mike takes back second place. Justin's reassuring it for him. See if Fergie's gonna let Dustin put the lap on him. And he does. This might get dirty right here. Oh no, it's a clean pass. Here we are, 3 cars, not a race on the track. Someone's got to slow down and speed up. We got 2 minutes left of this. Uh-oh, here it is. See if Fergie can make up some time. Running clean. Looks good. Fergie did a good job of holding off Dustin so far. And a good job of catching up to Mike. Dustin gets the lap on him. Bag get a lap on Mike too if he ain't careful. Minute 15 left. Oh, there's second place. Fergie gets it. Ooh, Mike don't like that at all. Mike's trying to get that second place back. Ooh,
fun part. That's it.
Rejected, Mike says.
Fergie ain't gonna look back.
We got 30 seconds left.
Mike cannot finish the race.
Dustin has ran a 15.5. Fergie's ran a 15.6. And Mike's ran a 15.5.
He's lost traction or something.
Mike wants to move on the track a little faster than the track's letting him. This will be your final lap.
Number 1. Number 2.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh. All right, we'll call it there. Oh, roll him under the beam there. Let's see where he ends up. Oh, there he is. Oh, hey, that worked out your advantage. Hold on a second. Let me get the buzzer going.